Hello, welcome back. Hello, you big summer blowout. Today we're going through some PR that was sent from Benefit Cosmetics. Every year around Christmas time they release some holiday sets in the cutest packaging ever, so I'm really excited to see what we've got going on in here. So let's get to it. Welcome to Bennyland. A world where makeup must-haves and unbeatable bestsellers come to play. It's wild, it's fun, and you're about to win big. Win the holidays. Be the first player to show off your boldest beauty moves, rack up glam points and take the holiday crown. Hashtag Bennyland. In here we have two boxes. We've got one box and one palette. I'll start with the palette. This is the Game On Glow Cheek Palette. When you open it up, it's got the Hoola bronzer, Shelly blush and cookie highlighter. Cookie highlighter is my absolute favourite. It gives you such a beautiful, beautiful highlight. You know, with some highlighters, and when you apply it, it looks like it's got like a veil, a sheet of some kind of coloured veil sometimes, where it looks like it's a shadow in some lighting. With the cookie highlighter, it doesn't do that at all. It's like just pure highlight, pure glitter, without being too overpowering and without looking like a shadow in certain light. It is so pretty. I normally go for like gold toned highlighters. This is a silver toned on my skin tone and it looks beautiful. It is literally the only highlighter I will use that isn't gold toned. If I am going to use another highlighter that does give you that veil of almost like a shadow, I will not use it to go outside. I will only use it for creative makeup looks and, you know, just content purposes. That is really cute too. I've just realised you can take the mirror out, so it slides out like this. I don't know what you'd need to take it out for, but it's a nice little touch to the palette. So in this palette, the Hoola is obviously the original bronzer. Shelly is a warm seashell pink blush. And Cookie is apparently a golden pearl highlighter. Now this I actually find really interesting because on my skin tone it does not come out gold at all. It comes out very silver. So I do find that quite interesting that it says golden. I obviously have a hard time working out what's golden and what's silver because to me, like I say, it comes out very silver. Now on to the cutest one in my humble opinion. Rolling with Benetint. It's fluffy. There's something fluffy and I absolutely... anything pink, anything fluffy, give me it all. I am here for it. I will have it all. I love everything pink and fluffy. It just makes me feel like such a princess, such a pink princess, girly princess. I am living my inner childhood dream. Let's open her up. It's a pink fluffy dice. Okay, my son is absolutely going to love this. He loves fluffy things and anything soft. He will love this. So we've got something wrapped in some gorgeous Benefit paper. We have the Rose Tinted Lip and Cheek Stain Benetint. This, I do need to give another chance. I tried it a few years ago and I just didn't like how quickly it stained. I love that it lasts so long, but I don't like how quickly it dries down. You've got to really work quickly with it. So I'll try it again, but I'm not a massive lover of it. And then we have this, which I've never tried. I'm very intrigued about this. This looks beautiful. It's a Benefit Benny Glaze Rose Tinted Lip Shine. I have never actually... I'm surprised actually about this because I've never even heard of it. Oh, look at the applicator on that. Nice and thick and curved. We'll love that. It is a little bendy as well, which is perfect because there's not worse than something that's dead straight, dead hard on your lips, no movement, can't get in all the little crevices and whatever. It's just, it's not good. So this looks like it will be really nice. In fact, I'm going to try some because my lips are really dry. Ooh! It has a beautiful tint that I really wasn't expecting. I know it says rose tinted lip shine, but this is really, really pretty. I find this is definitely more tinted than most other lip products that I've tried that say that they're tinted or they've got a colour, you know, some kind of pigment in it. This is gorgeous and it smells amazing. It smells just like rose water. If you don't know what rose water is, oh, it smells just like it. If you don't know what rose water is, you really, I can't recommend anything enough. It is the one thing that my skin craves daily. It is so amazing. I ain't been using it for a while, actually. Maybe this is a sign that I need to start using it again, because when it's like a big drink, it's like a big refreshing drink for your skin, and it is so natural and so effective. It truly is just something special, and your skin will really love you for it. So if you haven't tried it before, that is one of my biggest recommendations ever. Like, I can't recommend it enough. It is so, oh, your skin will love it. Trust me, just try it. Your skin will really thank you. I've just realised as well, like, it practically goes perfectly with my Steve Madden bag. So I'm gonna attach it. Like, it is practically the same size, but how cute. I probably will attach it to a different bag so it doesn't look as wild, but I think that is really cute. Oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. I love it. And like I said, my son will absolutely lose his mind over this. It really is as soft as it looks. It is gorgeous. I feel like I'm more excited about this than the actual makeup, but you know, I'm an adult. I get excited over the little things, okay? And one thing about Benefit as well, especially around Christmas time in particular, they never miss with their packaging. It is always so fun and interactive, and it just has that luxurious feeling without the higher price points of, like, you know, more designer brands. It's still got quite an affordable price range. The Game On Glow palette retails for £29, and the Rolling with Benetint's 3-piece lip and cheek set retails for £32.50. I actually think that's really reasonably priced for what you get, and it is a really perfect gift for any of your friends or family for Christmas. Mainly the Rolling with Benetint one, because of course the beauty bag that it comes with is really cute, and if you have anyone in your family that's into pink fluffy things, this is your girl, okay? This is your girl. This is what you need, and this is all you need. I'm actually just reading on the website as well, and the Benna Glaze, which is in this, is limited edition, so if you are wanting it, get your hands on it quick. I really would, because it feels amazing. It feels lightweight, it's not sticky, it has that beautiful rose water scent, and it just feels really nice and hydrating and moisturising. It feels delicious. The formula is just so comfortable, which I know is quite common these days with how far we've come in the beauty world, but there are still a lot out there that mislead you when you're buying them and say that it's comfortable and lightweight and all of this, and it doesn't turn out to be. This one really is. Looking at how comfortable it is on a scale of 1 to 10, I would put this at a solid 9.5. It is really comfortable. So I do think I actually just want to try the Benetint again, just to see if I like it. Last time I tried it, it was over foundation, so I think that might have interfered with the application of this, so I am just going to try it now with no foundation on. On the back of the bottle it says to apply 1 dot and then blend with your fingers quickly. Oh, I've changed my mind, guys. Always changing my mind on what I like and what I don't. This is absolutely beautiful. I much prefer this with no other makeup on than with foundation. I am going to have to try with foundation again, but this is stunning. Wow. I hate to see videos of everyone being like, wow, I love this, wow, but this really is. I feel like I'm so late to this because everybody will know how amazing it is and how gorgeous it is, and then it's just me like, oh my god, like, you know, discovering fire for the first time. It's just added some beautiful colour back into my skin without needing like foundation or anything heavy. Wow. And it gives such a beautiful subtle glow as well. Who is that? Who is that? I love how something so tiny can make me feel so big and beautiful. But now I've tried that, I want to try the cookie highlighter again, just because it says it's a golden pearl highlighter, and in my experience it is not gold, it is silver. See, I'm still getting silver from that. I don't think that's a very... But then, is it silver or does it just match my skin tone? Yeah, I think... Yeah, do you know what? I don't even think it is silver. I think it just matches my skin tone, and obviously I am golden undertoned. I don't think I've been using my eyes correctly for however long. That is golden, yes, I apologise, it's not silver. But yeah, that is beautiful, especially the combination of the Benetint and the highlighter. That is really stunning. I'm just going to bring you in so you can see closer. But I absolutely love that. So if you were considering buying any of these, I'd recommend them all. I'm not going to promote overconsumption. If you don't need them, don't get them. But they are very, very, very nice if you are in need of a new highlighter, blush and bronzer set, or a lip and cheek set. I will leave a couple of links to where you can find these sets below in the description. They are not affiliated, I don't earn any commission from them, and the links that I'm providing do not earn me any commission either. With that being said, that is everything for today's video. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe if this channel is your vibe. Love you. Bye. Mwah.